Welcome back, folks. Today we'll be showcasing another classic Filipino dish called Tinolang Tahong, or mussels in ginger-based soup. That's right. Tinolang Tahong is a beloved Filipino classic that brings comforting flavors of home to the table. This traditional ginger-based soup features fresh mussels simmered in a fragrant broth, creating a dish that's both light and deeply nourishing. Often served during rainy days or simple family gatherings, it perfectly captures the essence of coastal Filipino home cooking, uncomplicated, healthy, and soul-warming. So folks, if you want to learn how to make this uncomplicated, healthy, and soul-warming dish, well, stick around and I'll show you how to make it. So let's get started. Alright folks, we got ourselves a simple ingredient here for a simple dish. We got some ginger, some garlic, some onion, and we'll use some ground black pepper, oil, fish sauce for flavor, and we'll use some spinach instead of chili pepper leaves. We don't have that here, we don't have access to that, so we'll use some good option will be spinach. And of course, our main ingredient will be mussels. We got ourselves about a pound of mussels here. So let's get started. All right, folks, let's get started here. So we got ourselves a 4-quart pot here. I'm trying to heat up the temperature. Medium-high heat, folks. We're gonna start by sautéing our aromatics. A little bit of oil there. All right. It's gonna be a quick one here, hopefully. All right, let's put them all together. All together now. All right. Gonna saute our aromatics, our ginger, our onion, and chopped garlic until they releases its flavors. We don't need our 3 pinches of salt and pepper there. Smell that, folks. The ginger gets rid of that fishy flavor from our mussels, and it adds that good flavor and aroma to the soup dish that we're making here. We call this Tinolang Tahong. All right. As soon as it releases its flavors, you don't need to actually make them all mushy and all that stuff. We can now start adding our mussels here. Pound of mussels. Alrighty. Give them some good flavors as well. Salt and pepper there. Gonna add more ground black pepper, being this is a soup dish. All right. In the Philippines, sometimes they use what do you call this? Some lime sodas like Sprite or 7-Up for this soup. What is this thing? Oh, ginger. But for me, water should suffice. And of course, fish sauce. About 3 to 4 teaspoons of fish sauce there to flavor it up. Let's cover this for about a minute. One minute's up. Let's check back. All right. Good thing about mussels, they'll tell you when they're cooked. As soon as they open, they're cooked already. You don't want to overcook your mussels. All right. Let's add some water. Folks, when it comes to adding water, I'm not going to dilute this too much with water because I want to savor the flavor of the mussels. Not like a diluted soup with water. So, it's a 4-quart pot, and that's about 1.5 quarts of water in there. All right, let's cover this back up again, and we're gonna bring this to a boil. As soon as we come back, we should be done here. All right, folks, once this comes up to a boil, put the temperature down to medium-low heat. I don't want to overcook. Like I said, my mussels here. I want to give that a taste. See where we at. Wow. Wow, that's amazing. You can taste the mussels, the flavors of the mussels, the juiciness with the juiciness of the mussels. You can taste that. Adding a little MSG here for umami. We can now add our veggies here, which is the spinach. Probably it'll take a minute for it to wilt down. So look at that, folks. Look at that. That's a good Tinolang Tahong right there, folks. Wow. There you have it, folks. Our Tinolang Tahong. Folks, if you're liking our videos, all I ask is you share or like, share, and please subscribe. I thank you for watching, and until we cook again. Woo! May ulam na!